Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So yes, this is your energy check-ins, messages, and predictions reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, oops, sorry. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more information. And yes, if you're interested na magpa-reading sa aking friend, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page na Perception of Light. Okay, and yes, don't forget to follow. Thank you. And syempre, ang dami nating oo. Regarding sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, this is always available in red and black strings. Syempre, lalagyan natin ng initial ang kada bracelet. Okay? So, yeah, initial ng inyong name. And syempre, this is our Evil Eye ring. So, ito siya. Yes, this is adjustable. Okay, so adjustable po yan. So, yeah, kung may iba pang mga katanungan, message lang po no sa atin pong FB page na Fias Tarot. So, yeah, there. So, let's start. Air signs. So, anong message for you? Air signs. Message for air signs, please. Okay. And there. Ano to? The Six of Chalices. Memories. Past. Past person is thinking of you. The Fool in reverse. May past person dito, air signs, na natatakot dahil iniisip nila totally na nalimutan nyo na sila. Sabihin nating natatakot dahil yun nga, totally parang nilet go nyo na. Parang ganyan na you're like mas okay without them. Mga ganyan. They missed you. Yeah, they missed you. Meron din ditong friend mo na parang natatakot mag-reach out. I don't know why. Okay? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. The Four of Wands. The King of Swords. May bahay na ma-approve. Loan na ma-approve. Woo! Something na may kadikit na legalization. Yes, merong something na ma-accept. Okay? May ibibigay. Okay? This is talking about stability for some of you. Yeah. May nakita rin ako dito, may hindi, parang kaso. Kung meron kayong kasong inilalaban, pwedeng manalo kayo. Mga ganyan. Yeah, the star. See? May mga kaso, may mga legal actions na gagawin. Okay? Custody. And may naririnig akong custody. Some of you, regarding child. Okay? Mayroon ditong patungkol sa bata. Yeah. Yung iba, may chance ng kasal. May chance ng proposal. Okay? Yung iba rito, promotion. And this is talking about, long term. Okay? Yeah. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. And the Ten of Wands. Pagdating sa workplace, medyo hindi okay. Like, marami ang hindi sang-ayon sa'yo. Maraming sisira sa plano mo. In general, may mga taong hindi aayon sa mga plano mo. Okay? Pwedeng isang maging resulta is delay sa mga gusto mong mangyari. Pahihirapin yung sitwasyon. Meron ako nakikita ritong sabotage. Okay? The Hermit. Ito Itong mga to talagang tahimik eh. Tahimik pero dinadali eh. Dumadali pa. Parang energy siya ng Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. Backstabbing. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, someone will get caught. Yeah. May mahuhuli. Parang ganyan. I don't know. Kung ano yun. That's channeled. Okay? So, next is fire signs. Fire signs! Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong message for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Yan, mga ganyan. Anong prediction meron for you? And energy check-ins. Okay? So, anong meron for you? Fire signs. The Seven of Swords. Someone is being hidden. Secrets, lies. Ano tong Seven of Swords? The Five of Pentacles. Meron ako nakikitang energy rito. May mawawala. Pera. May magnanakaw, may kukuha, I don't know why, I don't know who. Okay. Someone is in need. In need. Someone is being sneaky. Meron din dito ako nakikitang energy na kapag nahuli sa akto, nandun pa yung paawa effect. Someone is like playing the victim. Ay, ganyan rin. Playing the victim. Air sign, earth sign. Okay. What else for fire signs? The Nine of Swords. Someone is thinking. Meron ditong problem regarding pera. This is not your energy. Pero yes, mas maganda magtago ng pera, mga fire signs, maging ang tawag ito, maging handa, no, pagdating sa sa rainy days, yung mga ganyan. Mas maganda ready ka, may mabubunot ka. No? Mga ganyan. Isipin patungkol sa mga bayarin. Mayroon ditong gustong humingi ng tulong. Kaya sabi ko kanina, someone is in need. Okay? Financially, I guess. What else? For fire signs. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong parang energy ng may naninira. May naninira. May maninira. Yeah, the Page of Swords in reverse. Rumors. Rumors. Ang nakikita ko rito. May magpapakalat ng maling balita. Lalo na pagdating sa workplace. Be careful, no, sa mga yung sasabihin lang sa'yo, ay ganito daw gawin mo, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Mas maganda, rumekta ka sa kung sino man yung nagsabi. Yes, parang double checking. Parang ganyan. Double check. Double check. Fire signs. Before kayo gumawa. Before gumaod. Okay? May naririnig ako manuals. Okay, yeah. This is boss. This is someone na parang nasa upper position. Yan. If you don't know kung anong gagawin, kung anong gagawin. Magtanong. Okay, magtanong. Kesa naman parang hindi nyo alam yung gagawin, tapos makikinig lang kayo sa kung sino, mas maganda. Para hindi kayo parang nag-iisip, tama kaya yun? Yun, mga ganon. So, mas maganda magtanong sa mas nakakaalam. Kesa dun sa nagsabi lang, ay, ganito yan. Alam nyo, yes, avoid nyo yun. Kasi baka mas maging malaki pa yung maging problem mo if ever. Bayarin, nakikita ko, ha? Okay, fire signs. So, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? Message for water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Stuck. Stuck. The Ten of Chalices in reverse. Someone is sad. Can't move on. May mga kapamilya kayo, water signs, na hindi nagiging masaya sa pag-usad nyo. Ayaw nila na uusad ka. See? The King of Pentacles. Ayaw ng mga to na magkakaroon kayo ng pag-usad, paglago. Okay? Ayaw nila yun. See? The Empress is here. Maybe. Talagang may pag-angat na nangyayari or mangyayari sa inyo. And yes, some of your relatives, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, ha, someone or some of your relatives talaga is hindi masisiyahan. Okay? Something pertaining to growth, leveling up, ayaw nila yun. Masakit sa mata nila yun. Oo. Kailangan pala mag-shades. Para matingnan ka. Okay? And yes, ayaw lang tingnan ka. Oo, masyado kang nag-shine, nag-glow. Ayaw nila yun. Okay? Yeah. Andun yung ihilahin ka ng mga to talaga pababa. Dahil ayaw nila na aangat ka. Okay? The Hanged Man in reverse. Cutting ties. Yeah. The Hanged Man in reverse, the Nine of Wands. Issues na sabihin natin hindi na masyadong pag-uusapan, pwedeng susolusyonan. Mas maganda yun kesa naman nakalimutan na or nililimot na lang. Mas maganda yung susolusyonan para matapos. Okay? Para magkaroon ng mas magandang result. Meron ditong parang hahayaan ka. Hahayaan ka lang niya. I don't know kung ano to. Like pababayaan ka. Pisces, fire sign. Parang pinapabayaan ka. The Eight of Wands. Puro pangako. Kung sino man to. Eight of Wands. The Eight of Chalices in reverse. Communication. Coming from a past person. Some of you, you're like waiting. Some of you, you're tired of waiting. Energy, yeah. Tired of waiting. Just like, okay, just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold back anymore. Oo, mga ganun. I'm tired like that. Some of you needs to rest. Kahit kagagaling lang sa break. Christmas break. Okay. Yeah. Meron ditong gustong umuwi. Meron ditong gusto nang bumalik. From 9 to 8. of Wands. Okay? Yeah. Someone is like feeling like they're just like wasting their time. Kaya, okay, I'll just surrender. Parang ganun. I don't know. Someone is sad. Disappointed. Confused. So, that's why parang wala na akong magagawa kundi i-let go to kung ano man ite. Parang ganyan. Meron dito makikipag-usap para lang makamove on. Okay? Or sabihin natin may makikipag-usap dahil hindi sila makamove on. Okay? So, there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong meron? Earth signs. Message for earth signs, please. Energy check-ins and predictions. Earth signs. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Seven of Pentacles. May paggagamitan ng pera ang mga earth signs. May paglabas ng pera dito. Yeah, to celebrate. I don't know. Pwedeng plan naman na to talaga. Okay. Well, kung may mga pinaplano kayo, pwedeng mangyari na. Pwedeng matuloy, if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. Commitments. Okay? The Fool in reverse. Be careful pagdating sa mga commitments. Bago kayo gumawa or bago kayo kumuha ng kung ano, like, hindi ko ma-explain. Sabihin natin meron ditong parang natatakot na dumisisyon para sa isang malaking offer. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. Some of you, this is regarding work, career. May matutuklasang iba or bago ang mga earth signs. May aaraling bago ang mga earth signs. May gagawing bago. Parang ganyan. Yeah, yes, the energy is good, by the way. Okay. What else? For earth signs. The Knight of Wands. Yeah. May mangyaring maganda naganap sa inyo, mga earth signs. Yes. This is like a new phase. Phase. Bagong yugto, bagong ganap sa buhay. Yeah, the Magician in reversed. Oh no. Don't just manifest. Okay. Some of you, you're manifesting a liar. Yes. You're manifesting a time waster. Yeah. So, nasasayang lang yung energy nyo kaka-manifest sa ganun klaseng tao. Yeah. You're manifesting a player. Hindi nyo alam. Yes. Yes, yo. Yeah, see, the Justice is in the reverse. This is infidelity. This is lies. So, enough Oo, enough na lang dyan. And yes, don't manifest specific person. Okay, lalo na may pangalan. Iwasan nyo. Okay? Imbes na hindi mapunta sa inyo dahil hindi naman talaga pwede sa iyo, mapupunta. Tapos, ngangal-ngal after. Kasi dapat pala hindi na tayo nagkakilala. Mga ganon. Yeah, real talk. Real talk lang. Lalo na sa mga past person. Sana bumalik na si ganito. Sana ganyan. Kahit naman hindi maganda yung nangyari sa past, gusto pa rin bumalik. Anong meron? Ha? Okay? So, magiging ganun lang siguro ang mentalidad ng isang tao. Kung sa tingin nila, hindi nila kayang mabuhay without that person. No? Sounds cliche, pero totoo yun. Yeah. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you all signs. So, yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Okay? And yeah. Once again, Happy New Year. Bye!